Our company selects and supplies automatic packing machines to pack tablets, capsules, dodges, granules, ampoules, vials and other types of pharmaceutical products. There is equipment for sold, individual and group packing in aluminum foil, filter paper, plastic film, nylon and other materials. We pack food, chemicals, pharmaceutical products in all known types of packaging. Packaging lines, packing machines are in a wide range for any of your applications. In fact, we have the largest in Russia multi-language catalog of pharmaceutical equipment with photos, descriptions and, what is more important, with prices and video demonstration of the equipment in operation.